Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the benefits of practicing yoga for stress relief. Stress is a common issue that affects many people, and it can have a negative impact on both our physical and mental health. But there's a simple and effective way to manage stress through the practice of yoga. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1. Yoga improves physical health. One of the most obvious benefits of practicing yoga is improved physical health. Yoga involves stretching, strengthening, and balancing poses that can help improve your flexibility, muscle strength, and cardiovascular health. When you take care of your physical health, it can have a positive impact on your mental health. Tip number 2. Yoga promotes relaxation. Yoga includes breathing exercises and meditation, which can help you relax and reduce stress. Practicing deep breathing can help you slow down your heart rate and lower your blood pressure, which can help you feel calmer and more centered. Tip number 3. Yoga reduces muscle tension. Yoga can help reduce muscle tension and pain, which is often associated with stress. Certain poses, like restorative yoga, can help you release tension and relax your muscles. Tip number 4. Yoga improves focus and concentration. Yoga requires focus and concentration, which can help improve your mental clarity and focus. When you practice yoga, you learn to focus your mind and tune out distractions, which can be helpful when dealing with stress. Tip number 5. Yoga fosters a sense of community. Yoga classes can provide a supportive and inclusive community that can help you feel more connected to others. The sense of community can help reduce feelings of isolation and loneliness, which can contribute to stress. And there you have it, my top benefits of practicing yoga for stress relief. Remember, yoga can improve physical health, promote relaxation, reduce muscle tension, improve focus and concentration, and foster a sense of community. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to manage stress, give yoga a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on living a healthy and stress-free life.